Stock futures experienced minimal fluctuations after a tumultuous trading session, primarily driven by escalating U.S. China trade tensions. The Dow Jones Industrial Average futures hovered around the flatline, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures also showed little movement. This followed a day of volatility for all three indexes, with the S&P 500 attempting a recovery from its intraday lows, but ultimately closing 0.2% lower due to President Trump's threat of a cooking oil embargo against China. The Nasdaq Composite fell 0.8%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average managed a 0.4% rise despite intraday losses. These developments mark the latest escalation in trade tensions, with China imposing sanctions on U.S. subsidiaries of a South Korean shipbuilder and President Trump threatening additional tariffs on Chinese goods. Despite the uncertainty, agriculture stocks saw a boost after Trump's cooking oil embargo threat, with Bunge Global and Archer Daniels Midland shares rising nearly 2%. However, market experts predict a sideways trade for stocks as long as the trade war uncertainty persists. And the U.S. government shutdown is exacerbating the situation. The focus now shifts to corporate earnings reports from major U.S. banks, with investors eagerly awaiting the latest financial updates.